This video explains the pronunciation of Estonian Ö. Estonian Ö is a close mid-rounded front vowel. To pronounce this vowel, your tongue is positioned forward and halfway between a close and a mid-vowel at the same height as, for example, for vowels O and E. The sides of your tongue touch your teeth and the tip of your tongue touches your lower teeth. Your lips are rounded. Some examples of Estonian words with Ö are Ö, Töö, Köha. Look at the figure to see how tongue and lips move. Ö, 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 Ö. Ö is pronounced like E, but with rounded lips. E, Ö, E, Ö. Note that Ö is pronounced differently from O. Ö is a front vowel, while O is a back vowel. Ö is pronounced with the tongue positioned forward in the mouth. O, Ö, O, Ö. Ö also differs from Ö, since Ö is a front vowel while Ö is a back vowel. In the case of Ö, the tongue is positioned forward in the mouth, and in the case of Ö, the tongue is positioned farther back. Ö, 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 Ö. A roughly similar vowel occurs in British English in words like bird, girl, herd. The vowel Ö occurs, for example, in German in words like Goethe, Bö, König, and in French, ce, jeune, que.